Hello student, standard 6 English medium, chapter number 3, playing with numbers. Exercise 3.4, question number 1, find the common factors of first 20 and 28. So in these questions, first we have to write the factors and both the numbers, which one are common factors we have to find. So the answer is first factor of 20 and 28. Students, we know that how to find the factors. 20. So which one number are divided by, then it's said to be factor of 20. So first one, and it's each and every number 1 is a factor and that number itself also a factor. So 1 and 20 both are the factor of the numbers, and the 2, 4, 5 and 10, that number are also factor of 20 because in that table 20 comes, and also it is divisible by that number. Same like that, factors of 28. So 1 and 28 both are the factor of 28, and then after it is divisible by 2, 4, 7 and 14. So these numbers are also factor of 28. Now just here we have to find out the common factors. So here we can see that 1, 2 and 4 are the common factor of the 20 and 28. B. Find the common factors of 15 and 25. So first here we have to find out the factor of 15. So it is 1 and 15 both are factor of itself, and same like that 25, 1 and 25 are the factor of this. So the common factor is 1 and 5. We can see that in both number 1 and 5 both are the factor of the common, means दोनों के अंदर कॉमन फैक्टर्स है. नाउ आफ्टरवर्ड फैक्टर्स ऑफ 35 and factors of 50. So here 1, 5, 7 and 35. 1 and 35 itself, it is already factors and it is divisible by also 5 and 7. Afterward factors of 50. So 1 and 50 both are the factor of the number and it is divisible by 2, 5, 10 and 25. So afterward the common factor in both the numbers is 1 and 5. Now same like that, question number D. Here two numbers 56 and 120. So 1, it's a factor of itself, 56 it's also a factor. Now remaining 2, 4, 7, 8, 14 and 28 are the factors of 56 also, and same like that factors of 120. Students, here 120 it's a larger number. So how can you find the factors of 120? See, first you write 1 and afterward last number 120. Now it is divisible by 2. So first you write here 2, and if we divide by 120 by 2, then it comes 60. So both side you have to write 2 and afterward 60. After that it is divisible by 3. and what answers come? 30. Afterward it is divisible by 4, so it's a 24 and 5. So same like that, all factors you have got. Now you have to find out the common factor. So it is 1, afterward 2, 4 and 8 are the common factor of 56 and 120. Question number 2. Here given that 4, 8 and 12. Now factor of 4, 1, 2, 4 and factors of 8, it's a 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So in these three numbers 4, 6 and 12, the common factor is 1, 2 and 4. Afterward in B, factors of 5. So it is prime number, so it's only two factors, 1 and 5. And factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. And factor of 25, it's 1, 5 and 25. So the common factor of these three numbers 5, 15 and 25, it is 1 and 5. Okay students, now next question number 3. Write the common multiple of the numbers and find the common multiple of 6 and 8. So multiple of 6 and 8, first multiple of 6 means it's 6 tables comes number 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24. So continue to be like that, infinity numbers come, and the same like that multiple of 8, so it is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, like that continuously infinity numbers. So both of them numbers 6 and 8 multiple, they have common multiple is 24, 48 and 72. Now same like that in B, there are two numbers 12 and 18 and their common multiples we have to find. So first write their multiple 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, like that infinitely many numbers is there, and same like that a multiple of 8. So table 18 comes 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 54, 72, 90, 108. There are infinitely many numbers in multiple of 18 also. So afterward both have common multiple is 36 and 72. Afterward 108 also, so it's a common multiple.